Join me today as we put together a new LEGO Polybag set from the Botanicals line, set 30701 Field Flowers. This is the Geek Cabal channel. My name is Bobbie, and today we're going to be putting together this new Polybag set that just came out about a week ago. Found it at Walmart. It is a botanical set, 30701 Field Flowers. It's got 77 pieces, and yeah, it's some flowers you would typically find in a field, I assume. Yeah, I've only put together one other flower set, so we'll see how this goes. With this few pieces, I might actually be able to just do this in real time instead of speeding it up. We'll just have to see. But anyway, here we go. Alright, so here we go. Let's open the set and see what we got. So, as expected, a whole lot of little parts. I'll try to get those in the frame here. So I got the camera over the table here and going to try to divide my attention between actually looking at it, make sure I'm all still on screen, and trying to follow the directions. So, looks like each flower has its own directions. So, we'll start. I'll show you guys here the directions here real quick, because I'm not going to be able to have them on screen at the same time. So there we are. Alright, so here we go. Don't really know what kind of commentary we're really going to have on this. You know, because, I mean, I'm just putting together flowers here. So, well, that's interesting. The thing it had me do first, it's going to be doing it 3 more times for the next step, but it tells me to assemble them first. And I kind of wonder why. Not a very compelling reason already. So I think I'm going to ignore those directions and actually try to put them together this way. Alright, so that gets us most of the stem, and then we're going to put together 3 of this step. So this is chewing through a lot of pieces here. I don't quite know where we're going with it, but alright, so there is one of the field flowers. I'm not a botanist, so I couldn't tell you what that is. It kind of looks like, I know, grass or wheat or something to me. Alright, on to the next one. Oh, it's a nice part in sand green. I don't know how much that actually goes around in sets these days, but they used to be a hard color to get a hold of. So let's see. We need a beige piece. So it goes all the way down. And this square piece. Okay, now here's where we're going to end up using a lot of parts, it looks like. Looks like these kind of spike plant things are going to get a whole bunch of these on the tips. These clear pieces. So I believe this is a, again, not a plant expert, but I believe this is a dandelion. Hopefully I haven't been out of frame all this time. Yeah, this step here I could see being a little time consuming, because you're having to put these on every single one of these, and there's going to be several of these. So, go once, goes on the head there. There's going to be 4 more going around it. So this particular step I might speed up in the editing. Alrighty, so there's the last one, which we'll be putting on here now. And there we go. There's the head of the dandelion, which definitely looks like one. So, very repetitive build, but you know, that's what you're going to get with these, I guess. Kind of surprising in a set this small that we'd see something like that. I had thought about buying a couple of these and putting them together. I don't know if I'm going to now with that, but so there is the whole flower on that one. And now we move on to our last one, which is I think a sunflower. So we start with these stalks. I'm going to put 3 of these guys together. Alright, so there's 3 of the rods, the red, so we add another one, to which we're going to add this yellow piece. Then that, another yellow, or sorry, another green, another red. I'll set that down for a moment as we build the other part. Looks like put a kind of flowery looking piece there. And that. Then we'll put it going the other way. Alright, and then this pin to push it all together. Okay, now it's all together. I'm going to add a green piece here on the bottom, at least what I perceive to be the bottom. Another shaft piece here, which we will then add this whole contraption to the top there. Then we're going to take the leaves, like one should go like that. And then the other should go like that. So there we have it. And so there are our 3 flowers. It looks like we have 3 spare parts. And all together, we're talking 6, 10, 14 steps here in the half and half instructions. So now let's go back to the regular view. Okay, so we have our flowers built. I had a bit of a close-up there. Now you can see them here from afar. This is what you're getting in the poly bag here. So this retails $5. By themselves, I don't know if you've really got enough to really have something here, but it's a fun little build. But I would think you'd need probably maybe 3 of them would give you enough to have, you know, something you could actually put like in a vase or something. Because I assume that's what people actually do with these, with the ones that just have the stems that don't have a built-in pot, like the chrysanthemum has a built-in pot around it. The bonsai tree has a built-in foundation and everything for it, but there's a lot of them that are just they're just the stems. So I would imagine that you'd actually want to get a container to put them in, and if you're going to do that, like I said, I would probably get like 3, maybe 4 sets of these, so you've got several of them, or mix these in with some of the others, like I think of some sunflowers and some other field flowers, or use these to accent like a bigger set of the flowers or something. But anyway, you know, for $5 and 77 pieces per the 10 cent per piece rule, you know, you're coming out ahead. So, and if you like the flowers at all, you know, like I said, this one to my mind is the real winner. Like, I hope you guys can see the detail here. Like, and this is the one that took a little bit longer to put together because those are all individual pieces. But this is definitely the winner here. So, and they don't blow away in the wind like real ones do. So, you know, you don't have to worry about that. But yeah, overall, I like it. I might buy a couple more of them, get them together, and if I do, I'll show those in another video or something. But anyway, hope you guys like this. I don't think these are sold on Amazon. If they are, there'll be an affiliate link. I found them at Walmart in the Lego section there. So that's where I imagine you're going to find them. So keep an eye out if you're interested. I've got some other poly bags I'm going to be putting together here shortly. They'll be sprinkled out, you know, over the next few weeks or so. But anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments. Have you built any of the LEGO Botanical sets? Do you like them? Do you think there's a future in the $5 botanical poly bags? Or do you stick to the bigger ones, like the chrysanthemums, or the really big ones, like the like the wreaths and like the big sets of like the $60 field flower sets and things like that. There's a big set like poinsettias for Christmas, you know. Anyway, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Sharing and commenting would help us grow the channel. We always appreciate it. But yeah, that's about all I've got. So just remember, keep those bricks clicking.